Hello Antrish.
Hi.
So today we will learn about farm animals and farm fields.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So how many apples can you see on the tree?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, this is an apple tree and it's having 7 apples.
Yes.
Can you see the birds fly in the sky?
Yes.
How many birds are flying in the sky?
3.
3. Can you tell me where are these birds?
1, 2, 3.
Okay. And how many caterpillar can you see on a green grass?
Three.
Where are the caterpillars?
This.
Second caterpillar is,
This one.
and third one is,
Third.
it's hiding behind it. Okay. And can you name the crop which you can see in this farm? Which crop is there in this farm?
This.
Crop.
This crop.
This is a crop, tomato plant.
This crop.
Tomato crop, right? How many logs can you count in this farm field? You know what is log?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. And can you see any dino?
Yes.
Where is the dino?
This dinosaur.
Okay. And what is the color of this dino?
Purple.
Okay. And the ants are going in a straight line. Can you see how many ants are there?
Yes.
Count loudly.
9, 10.
10 ants are there. Okay. And can you find any ladybird in this farm field?
Yes.
Where is the ladybirds?
1, 2, 3.
3 ladybirds are there. And do you know the names of the farm animals, Anshi?
Yes.
Tell me.
Cow or sheep.
Sheep. Can you see any hen there? Hen is also a farm animal.
Yes. Yes.
And where is the grasshopper?
1, 2, 3.
Where is the grasshopper sitting?
On tomato leaves.
Tomato leaves. Okay.
Grasshopper, this grasshopper, this grasshopper. So many
Okay.
grasshoppers, Mama.
Yes. Thank you, Beta.
Thank you. Bye.